Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Khushpreet, a consultant pulmonary medicine from Sohana Hospital. Today I would like to talk about a topic which is very common and very deadly also. This is association of smoking with smoking and lung diseases. Though smoking is very common in our country, about 70% of people are getting sick just because of smoking. If I see the stats, near about 90% of the lung cancers are responsible because of smoking. Smoking does contains more than 5,000 chemicals which a common man doesn't know, and which with each puff we are taking 5,000 carcinogenic chemicals into our lungs, and they are causing havoc in our body. Not only lungs, as such other organs are getting involved, and other diseases associated with smoking are like people are getting more diabetic, people are hypertensive, all time dependent on treatment for their cardiac diseases, people are having strokes and paralysis, they are having cancers of other parts of the body also, people are developing allergic diseases and much more. If we talk about lungs, 90% of the lung cancers are responsible because of smoking. There are two types of involvement of patients. One who directly smokes, that is an active smoker, and the one is a passive smoker. Passive smokers are the persons who are the contacts of the smokers. Like a man who smokes in his family is giving the same content of the smoke to the children and to the wife. So not only that the one who smokes is getting sick, but we are making other people in our society sick also. Now what are the symptoms if we smoke, and what kind of diseases we can develop? Diseases, a part of the lung cancers, we can have COPD, which is a very broad term for a normal common man. COPD is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in which patients are mostly coughing. The age limit for this disease is more than 40 years. When you smoke more than 10-20 years long for a period, then patient starts developing chronic cough. Chronic cough means they keep on coughing, they start having breathlessness, they can't walk a few distances which they were easily doing prior to in their younger ages. So when these kind of presentations come, then people should know that they are heading towards the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Another thing which is common in younger population, who are the young population and they are smoking, they develop asthmas, they develop rhinitis, they develop other allergic diseases and much more. What are the symptoms actually the lung cancer patient presents with? The most common symptom is the breathlessness, another one is the cough, then some people may head towards the hoarseness of the voice. In simple common terms, hoarseness of voice is आवाज़ का भारी होना, जो कि हमें पता नहीं चलता उस टाइम की आवाज़ भारी क्यों है, but this is one of the symptom which we come across through the evaluation of the disease. Then weakness, weight loss and involvement of all other organs of the body depending upon the stage of the cancers. Furthermore, what we have to do for all those smokers, if they have smoked more than 10 years, they have to go under certain investigations. First of all, I would suggest everyone who is a smoker, please come with your goodwill to stop the smoking, because again getting depending on the treatment part, and all the treatments for quitting smoking won't be a good help to you. Willpower should be high enough to to quit smoking. Secondly, still there are few medical helps we have. Those who are a very chronic smoker and they are depressed, or they are dependent upon the smoking because of some particular reasons, they can definitely take a help of a physician. We have medicines also to help them get off this deadly habit. At the end, I suggest everyone who smokes or who are addicted to smoking, please visit physicians. In our hospital, in Sohana Hospital, we have all the facilities right from the diagnosis till management. All the best modalities are available here. We are also available 24/7. For any help, you can come to us anytime. Thank you.
Hana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.